This is the Royal Doge channel. Give yourself the life you deserve. 7% BNB rewards straight into your wallet. Earn whilst you sleep. Join us at theroyaldogetoken.com. If you want to earn some money, like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Let's see what's going on in the market today. Welcome to the Royal Doge token. Today we're going to be looking at an issue that I've found with a lot of newbies. A lot of people that are new to crypto, or a lot of people that are just new to the Binance Smart Chain. We're going to be going through exactly how, step by step, you can buy this coin. But, first of all, why should you buy this coin? Well, if you want a coin that's got great potential, and you've got a coin that gives 7% BNB redistribution rewards to every holder that has more than 5,000 hour Doge, and you want a coin that has utility, namely the poker tables, and you want a coin that has devs who are doxed, devs that show their faces, devs that are really easy to contact and listen to you, then the Royal Doge token is definitely the coin you want to be buying. And this is how we're going to do it. Because I'm anticipating most of you to want to be able to do this on your mobile phone, I've actually recorded a clip on how to do it on a mobile device. So we'll go over to that. The first thing you're going to want to do is go into your App Store, because you need to download a couple of apps. Firstly, MetaMask. Don't worry if you've got Trust Wallet, because you can just use your 12 key phrase and input that into MetaMask when you sign up, and it will just transport everything over. Next thing you're going to want is Binance, because you're going to need to be able to buy some BNB and then transfer it over to your MetaMask wallet. Once you've downloaded both of those and you've registered successfully, we need to go over to the royaldogetoken.com. Now make sure that you get this right, that you're looking at the right token, because there are no rules about other tokens being named the same or similar, and it can be quite confusing if you don't know what you're doing. You want to go down to the contract address, and you want to copy that. And then if we go over to MetaMask, once you've registered and signed up, it will look like this. And you want to go to Add Tokens, Add Custom Token, and just paste that contract address straight in, and the rest should appear automatically. Then when you click Add Token, it will come in and it will be in there once you get some tokens in your wallet. Next thing you want to do is to actually buy some BNB. For this, you need to go onto Binance. The Royal Doge token is part of the Binance Smart Chain, so you need BNB to buy it. So if we go over to Buy With, and your currency will be there, you choose BNB, and then once you've got your Visa card details in, you can just type in how many you want, click Confirm, and that will be done. Once you've done all that, you want to come back out of this and go to your wallet, which is the bottom right hand corner. Click on Withdraw, because you want to move it out of the Binance. Click on BNB, which you've just bought. And that's going to bring up this page where it's going to ask you for an address. That is not the contract address of the coin. You need to go back to MetaMask, go onto your BNB, click on Receive, because you want an address for Binance to send it to your wallet. Very important, okay? Once you've got that, go back over to Binance and paste that in. Make sure it's yours from MetaMask. It will say Binance posted from MetaMask. Make sure you've got the BSC network selected. Click on Maximum and then click Withdraw. Now this takes about 30 minutes to come through, so give it time and don't panic, okay? It is always worth doing a little test transaction first, like $10 or something. And once it's in there, you want to go to the top left hand corner, and we want to click on Browser. This is why we use MetaMask and not Trust Wallet, because Trust Wallet have taken this feature away. And then you want to go on to PancakeSwap.finance. Your BNB will be there. And then you want to select a currency. And again, you want to make sure that you've got the right currency, so don't just type in the name. Go back to the website, it takes 2 seconds, copy that contract address, go back onto PancakeSwap, and then paste it. That will make sure that you're getting the right, okay? And now, when it comes to slippage, people have been reporting that you need quite a high slippage, okay? 18-20%, but you can do it with just 1% slippage, and I'll show you how. If you select 1% slippage, and then when you're buying your Rdoge, if you want to buy the 5,000 minimum required for your BNB rewards, just put 0.00 at the end of it. And that will allow it to go through with a 1% slippage. Slippage doesn't really matter because the coin's not that volatile, so there won't be that much difference in price, but it gives you peace of mind. And once you've done that, if you go back to your MetaMask wallet, it will appear down on the bottom. So just follow the steps, and that's it done. Dead easy. Now you can go back to this and go on to bscscan.com, and this will allow you to check any incoming and outgoing transactions, namely your BNB rewards coming in from the Rdoge token. Once you get some, it will be every 30 minutes when the volume's high, but if the volume is particularly low on days, it can be just 2 or 3 times a day, so do not worry about that. And you will see all the transactions down here when it searches through your wallet on BSC scan. So, you know, if there's any confusion, just have a look here, and that is absolutely fine. Now, one thing I want to show you is something that I actually use, and that's Gecko, because they have quite a cool little app where you can look at the price charts, you can collate all your data. If you've got a portfolio, you can add all of your coins that you have in there and the quantities you have them, and it will give you the total. Yes, MetaMask and Trust Wallet do this, but MetaMask are well renowned for giving you false totals. I've seen my portfolio dive by 99% overnight just because MetaMask has reported the values wrong. So the CoinGecko is a lot better for that. It's a good place to just keep an eye on things, and you can have a look through live charts and any information you want as well. It'll also give you links to the websites and things like that, so it's a good one to have. And they also do a reward center as well. If you click on this every day, they'll give you these little candies, and you can buy stuff with them. Books on Bitcoin, how to DeFi, and you can go on their store and get money off things as well. So it's worth having a look at. But that's it really, guys. It's pretty simple. The one thing I just want to show you is if you go back to the website and you're worried about your BNB rewards, you want to see how many you've received or how many you've received since you started with us, you go down to our rewards dashboard. And all you have to do there, once it loads up, is just go onto your MetaMask again. Copy your MetaMask address. Now don't worry guys, people can't take anything else out of your wallet if they know your address, so don't worry about that. Paste it in there and click on search, and it will tell you how many BNB you've been rewarded since you hit that threshold of 5,000 Rdoge. And in total, you know, they've given out $225,000 worth of BNB rewards so far, which is absolutely immense. This is by far the best reward scheme that I've seen on a coin ever. It's the best passive income that I've seen for any coin, to be honest with you. And that's it guys, dead straightforward. It is a bit complicated the first time you do it, but once you've done it a few times, you know, it becomes second nature. It's not too bad at all. It is a bit more difficult than an ERC20 coin. However, if you have ERC20 coins on the Ethereum network, the gas fees are just astronomical. I mean, the gas fees for the Binance Smart Chain are tiny. They're like $1 when you do a transaction, you know, and it costs you nothing. So it's definitely a great blockchain to be on. But guys, if you've got friends coming into this that haven't been into crypto before, if you're new to crypto, or you've got family that want to come into crypto, just send them this link and it'll show them how to go through it step by step so they don't make any mistakes. Just little things like copying the contract address from the website so you don't end up buying the wrong coin. Making sure that you don't use the contract address when you're sending from Binance to your wallet. Make sure that you use your wallet address. Once you get these few basic things down, you're pretty much guaranteed not to make a mistake. With that said, when I make large transactions, I will always send a small transaction ahead first, just to make sure that I'm not half thinking it through or that I'm just making silly mistakes. If you were to send BNB to the contract address from the website, you would lose your BNB. You have to send BNB from Binance to your wallet. Okay, guys, you have to send it to your wallet address. That is the main mistake I see people doing where they lose their tokens. And I'll be honest with you, this is a lot easier than it was years ago, and it will become a lot easier again once crypto hits the mainstream. We're still very early on. We're very early adopters. If you were looking at this video and you were wanting to come in now, you've come in at an amazing time. You've come in right when cryptocurrency is a baby. And when this hits mainstream, when everybody in the world is using it, it's going to be huge. So thanks for watching, guys. Send this link out to everybody. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.